We are an experimental biophysics group in the Department of Physics at USC. And basically our research specialty is sort of the interface between nanoscience and biological physics. A lot of what we do is basically inspired by what microbes are capable of doing. One way to think of microbes is that they're these amazing factories that basically catalyze all sorts of reactions in order to meet their own energy demands. For a long time, we knew that certain organisms, like Shewanella, the organism that's sort of the model system in my lab, for a long time we've known that Shewanella can move electrons from its cell, basically, to other surfaces, to external solid surfaces. And then a few years ago, there was this dramatic discovery that cells also might be able to basically build wires to the surfaces that they breathe. The idea being that they can produce these hair-like appendages, basically out of their cell bodies. So here's an example of a single cell of Shewanella onidensis MR1. So this is this white cell right here. And the hair-like things that you see coming out of it, each one of those is an example of a bacterial nanowire. If you're a bacterium like Shewanella, you build this wire out of your cell body that goes all the way to the thing that you're breathing, be it a solid surface or the electrode of a microbial fuel cell or something else, and you use that bacterial nanowire to transfer electrons just like we would use a breathing tube in order to breathe oxygen. Even though there was a lot of evidence that these bacterial nanowires are involved in extracellular electron transport, basically in moving electrons from the cell to the surface, there was really no direct evidence for it. So what we did specifically in our recent paper is we've used a lot of the tools of nanotechnology to be able to probe electron transport specifically along individual bacterial nanowires. So what we're looking at is a single Shewanella onidensis MR1 cell, and we're looking at a bacterial nanowire that is secreted by that cell. And what we did was we directly wrote platinum electrodes. So these are these metal bars that you're looking at here, directly writing electrodes along a single filament that's secreted by a single cell, and then measured the electron transport directly that way, which is finally conclusive proof that these bacterial nanowires do in fact act as conductive appendages. So it opens up the door to a lot of optimization, basically, that may have applications for both biological fuel cells, but also basically any topic that involves electron transport between the living and the non-living worlds, right? Between cells and inorganic surfaces.